Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to restrict group chat in Messenger. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Messenger application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you get the Messenger app? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So launch any of these applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type Messenger. Follow through with the on-screen instructions to install, and after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page for Messenger, where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account, now whichever one you choose. Once you log in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Messenger homepage, where you can now explore a couple of features that have an exciting time in Messenger. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to restrict group chat in Messenger. So let's say this is the home page for Messenger. All right, so click on those three horizontal lines and locate the group that you want to restrict. So these are communities here. You can either find them here or you can find them in your chat list. Okay, so click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, and I'm going to look for any group that I want to restrict. So I'm just going to click on this, all right, and at the top right corner, you have the something that looks like an exclamation mark or something. That's not an exclamation mark, that sign though. So click on it and it takes you over here. You have invite, you have mute, and you have home. Now on Facebook, there is no option to restrict group chat, all right? That's on Facebook Messenger. There's no direct command that allows you to restrict group chats, but you can mute the chat. So sorry, but that when you click on mute, it takes you over here. You mute this community for 1 day, for 1 week, for 1 month, or until I change it. So you can click on until I change it and click on OK. So once you click on until I change it, it seems like it just means you have completely forgotten about the group or forgotten about the group's existence. So that's pretty much it. So once you mute it, it means you have literally restricted it. So once messages come in from the group, you're not going to be notified per se that messages are actually in here. So this is pretty much how you can restrict group chats in Messenger. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Now remember, if you don't find your group here as part of the communities and you find your group as part of the chat, go ahead and long press the group from the chat box, and after long pressing the group, you're going to see the option for you to mute. So click on mute and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.